माननीय एलओपी प्लीज अपने सीट्स वापस, मैंने बोला माननीय एलओपी आप लोग अपनी सीट्स वापस जाए, पहले प्लीज टेक योर सीट। माननीय एलओपी, माननीय एलओपी you want to lose? First माननीय एलओपी सर, देखो अपने
विद्यार्थी की ओर से और नीट एग्जामिनेशन के बारे में और रूल्स 267 के तहत यहाँ पर बहस करना चाहते हैं, उसके लिए अगर फेयर डिस्कशन होना है तो शिक्षा मंत्री पहले राजीनामा देना चाहिए।
धन्यवाद।
जब वो राजीनामा नहीं देंगे निष्पक्षपात चर्चा यहाँ नहीं होगी। इसीलिए अगर निष्पक्षपात चर्चा होना तो मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ गवर्नमेंट को वो रिजिग्नेशन दिलाओ, चर्चा शुरू करेंगे। चर्चा शुरू करेंगे। ये क्या है सर, डेमोक्रेसी है?
चेयरमैन
बच्चों को बचा हुए मार रहे इसीलिए हम नहीं चाहते, हम तैयार हैं, हम भाग रहे हैं। अरे आपके जैसे अघोरे नहीं है तो सुनो देता आने वाले हम रहने के हमने जो है हम उसके बारे में हिस्सा लेंगे उसी लोग
Honorable members, may I recall that I had imparted a comprehensive ruling on Rule 267 with suitable illustrations of past precedents on the 4th December 2025. It is also available in the MMD device of the benefit of members. In my ruling of 4th December 2025, I had drawn the attention of the House that the present form of the Rule 267 results from an amendment adopted by this House in the year 2000. The Rules Committee in the year 2000 was presided over by then Honorable Chairman Rajya Sabha, Sri Krishikant ji, and consisted of eminent members like Dr. Manmohan Singh ji, Sri Pranav Mukherjee ji, Sri Arun Shourie ji, M. Venkaiah Naidu ji, Swaraj Kaushal ji, Swami S. Nariman, etc. The committee observed that the rule was being used to seek discussions on matters not listed or not yet admitted. The committee therefore recommended restricting Rule 267 strictly to subjects related to the list of business and added a provision preventing its use where a rule already contains a suspension mechanism. The House approved these recommendations on 15 May 2000. Members may also kindly note that between 1988 and 2000, discussions under Rule 267 were held only 3 times. And on just 2 of these occasions, the rule was invoked strictly as prescribed. Further, from 2000, amendments to the present no discussion have taken place under Rule 267. However, on 8 occasions, discussions were held only after consensus in the House. Honorable members can see that in almost 4 decades, this device of Rule 267 has been invoked in the House on rarest of rare occasions. In view thereof, I reiterate that valid notice under Rule 267 must specify the rule to be suspended, relate to an item in the day's list of business, provide the grounds for invoking Rule 267, not seeking suspension of business where a rule already allows suspension, contains a motion drawn in proper form, be invoked in rarest of rare occasion. Despite above clarification, it is observed that members are still giving notices under Rule 267 every now and then which are not in consonance with the above conditions. I request honorable members to keep in mind the essential requirements of Rule 267 as highlighted above, and I reiterate that notices fulfilling the requirements could only be considered by me and admitted after taking the consensus of the House. Honorable Chairman has repeated this ruling yesterday only. माननीय त्रिची शिवा, आप बोले आपकी बात रिकॉर्ड पे जाएगी।
Hello.
माननीय त्रिची सर, yes.
Mr. Deputy Chairman, sir. We take your word. What you made in the observations. Kindly, please. Please. You said rarest of the rare occasion. What is going on is the rarest of the rare occasion.
Already honorable Chairman has
Please, sir, please.
No, I'm not done.
Please.
The House is adjourned up to 3 p.m. No. Thank you.
तो इस वक्त बड़ी खबर आपको बता दें, राज्यसभा 3 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित हुई है। जेपी नड्डा नेता सदन ये कह रहे थे कि सरकार नीट के मुद्दे पर चर्चा के लिए तैयार है, मगर मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे ने कहा कि राजीनामा दें, उसके बाद चर्चा होगी।